Okay, let's do an unboxing of the Edifier M60 speakers. And as you can see, there are the speakers just there. We've got the white speakers today. They look really, really nice. And there's a bit more information about some of them there on the box as well. We'll go into that shortly as we do the review. Let's just take a look and open it up. So start with, here are the speakers. So here they are, just here. Now, let's open it up. So it comes in a nice silk package there, which I think looks really nice. And there are the speakers just there. Now, don't they look nice? Now, it comes with one inch silk dome tweeters and 3-inch long throw aluminium diaphragm and low drivers in this as well. It's also got high-res audio and high-res audio wireless as well, which we'll look into a bit more. But look at this design there compared to my hand. Doesn't that look nice? Let's go and get the other speaker out while we're here. So we can get this one out. Again, here's the second speaker. So we've got the black speakers here today. So there they are again. And as always, lovely quality by Edifier. Let's go see what else comes in the box. Now here also we have with some of the designs. So these comes with stands as well. So you've got a couple of things. We'll show you guys how to set it up. You've got the USB-C charging plug. You've got the plug to plug into the speakers. You've got the cable as well to do it, and also the charging case all there. So you can see there is just there. Looks very, very nice. And we do have the stands as well for the speakers to sit on. So let's go and open those up just now. So here are the speaker stands as well. If you want to put the stands on there, just like that, like that. So you've got speaker stands as well if you wish to use them. So very, very nice. I'm going to put this to the side. Let's have a look at the speakers. So you can see they've got a very, very nice compact design. You can use, as I said, AUX cable in there as well, or USB-C charging. So there we are, just there. Now these come with 66 watts of total output. Very, very high quality sound as well, which I think is nice. And we're going to have a look at the front. You can see speaker in there, speaker out, AUX in. They've also got the high-res audio as we spoke about earlier, and the charging cable. Now you can get these in white, black, or grey. We've got the black ones here. Let's get a bit closer. Now again, these also have Bluetooth 5.3 audio receiver, so it supports the LDAC codec, and offers a transmission rate of up to 99 kilobytes per second. You also stream audio in 24 bits, which is really good. As I said, you can also use the Edifier Connect app to connect these as well. So lovely, big, powerful speakers. I'm going to be reviewing them very, very shortly to see how they come.